In more than 60 years of records, there have only been 4 years where no tornadoes were reported in the Tennessee Valley, and most of those occurred during the spring.
But it's tornadoes that happen in the winter that present unique challenges. WHNT News 19's meteorologist Jake Reed explains.
Our biggest fear sometimes is in the winter.
The morning of February 16, 1995. 6 were killed and more than 120 injured when an F3 tornado shrouded by rain and darkness tore through Joppa and Arab around 5 a.m. Chris Darden is the meteorologist in charge at the National Weather Service in Huntsville.
At dark are certainly much more dangerous because of, people are just doing other things, or either, if they occur at night, it could be asleep.
All the way down.
And tornadoes in the winter often occur at night.
They do tend to be a little bit later, but one thing to keep in mind is there's not nearly as much daylight. Sunset is occurring so much earlier.
Winter tornadoes are usually weaker than ones in the spring, but
every once in a while you will get an outlier event. The Super Tuesday event in 2008.
On February 6th, when 2 EF4s caused extensive damage in Lawrence and Jackson counties between 3 and 6 a.m. Winter tornadoes typically occur within lines of storms and spin up quickly, making them much harder to warn for.
Picking out the individual rotations within a line is a big deal, and it's one of our biggest meteorological challenges.
More than 50% of our tornadoes happen in these lines. Because it is generally colder and drier in winter, the fuel for major tornadoes is rarely there. But Mother Nature plays by her own rules, and history has taught us we can't let our guard down even in the winter. Jake Reed, WHNT News 19.
Alabama ranks among the top 5 states for most February tornado touchdowns on record.